Hello and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood technician, and today we are going to be doing the rear flex disc. Before we do that, make sure, as always, to hit subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and make sure you hit the notification icon so you get notifications when I post a new video. Let's get to it. Here's the new flex disc. There's your part number right there, 129-410-0115, and it comes with 16 bolts. You got tall ones in the back, short ones in the front. We're going to be using the short ones, and it comes with 8 nuts, 8 washers. The new nuts are going to be 18 millimeter, and the new bolts are going to be a T60, as you can see right there. So those are the tools you're going to need for that. The original one is going to be 2 19s that you'll need to take off. There's a 19s right there and right there. Step 1 is going to be making sure that your vehicle is in neutral. Step 2, you're going to want to make sure you remember where the washers are. Now, it's easy to remember the washers always go against the flex disc. So you see right there, that washer against the flex disc, whereas there's no washer on this side. This one's against the flex disc, this one's against the flange, no washer. Then, you're going to want to remove all 8 of those bolts. Next, we're going to see if this thing just separates like the front did. Yeah, guess not. Maybe a little pry bar action. Next, you're going to want to take off the heat shield, then take off this nut, which is 24 millimeters, so you can lower the strap down. Then, once the strap is down, you can work out your flex disc. Now, put this one in. Next, tighten them down to 45 Newton meters. There we are, done and done. Now matches the front one. New bolts, new nuts, new washers. And you can see right there, same thing on the front one. Well, that's it. You can see it's been raining a bit, so thank you for watching. Another short one. I'm going to go try to get some more of these videos uploaded for you, so thank you for watching. See you next time. Also another update, I was able to cover that in black suede, so yeah, it looks alright. It doesn't match the rest of the car, but slowly what I want to do is get these covered in black, and then when I do the headliner, do the black headliner in black suede also, kind of like an AMG. Get this done, and then the bit right there.